Ever wondered why some people get approved for the Rogers MasterCard with a 700 score, while others with an 850 get hit with an instant decline? I've been through the application process myself, and I can tell you that Rogers Bank doesn't just look at your credit score, they look at how you fit into their specific ecosystem. If you're eyeing that 2 to 3% cash back or those free roam like home days, you need more than just good credit to get the green light. Based on my experience, the first and most important hurdle is your existing relationship with Rogers, Fido, or Shaw. While you can apply as a non-customer, Rogers Bank heavily prioritizes their own subscribers. When I applied, having my Fido mobile account linked and in good standing for at least 6 months seemed to be the secret sauce. If you're a new customer, wait until at least 2 or 3 billing cycles have passed before applying. This proves you're a reliable payer within their network, which carries a lot of weight in their internal risk assessment. Next, you have to pick the right card for your profile. There are 2 main options, the standard Rogers Red MasterCard and the Rogers Red World Elite. I've seen people get rejected because they aimed for the World Elite without meeting the strict $80,000 individual or $150,000 household income requirements. If you aren't 100% sure you hit those numbers, start with the basic Rogers Red card. It has no minimum income requirement and still offers the same 2% cash back for Rogers customers. You can always product switch later once you've built a history with them. In terms of your credit report, Rogers typically pulls from TransUnion. Before you apply, make sure your TransUnion score is at least 660, though 700 plus is the safe zone. One thing that almost tripped me up was my credit utilization. Rogers is notoriously conservative. If your current cards are sitting at more than 30% utilization, they see it as a red flag, regardless of your income. I made sure to pay down my other balances to under 10% a month before hitting that submit button. Finally, keep an eye on your recent inquiries. If you've applied for 2 or 3 other cards in the last 6 months, Rogers will likely flag you for credit seeking and decline you automatically. They prefer boring applicants, people with stable addresses and consistent employment. If you've recently moved provinces or changed jobs, wait a few months for your new information to settle on your credit report. Accuracy is key. Even a small typo in your address can trigger a fraud flag and an instant no. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.